Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Before you start matching, take a few seconds to look at the board. Notice which tiles are free and which are blocked on the others. Understanding the layout first help you avoid accidental moves that can trap tiles. Always focus on top layer's first tile. Remove these opens of hidden tiles underneath. Think of it like peeling an onion. You need to remove the top layers before you can reach the rest. Look for the tiles on the left and right edges. These tiles are usually free and easier to match. Clearing the sides first open up more options and prevent the board from getting blocked. Don't just match the first pair you see. Ask yourself, will this match unlock more tiles or block important ones? If you are stuck, use power-ups like hint or shuffle. Hint show or match instantly. Shuffle mixes all tiles to give new options. And that's it. By scanning the board, clearing top layers and sides, planning ahead and using power-ups wisely, you can play Vita Mahjong on phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.